Now it gets much easier since there's nothing new to learn. So we're going to go from random to the next step, getting input from the user. Now let's just section this out for it to make more sense. First we're going to say imports. Here we can put this as variables, and here we can say runs. So now we have clear examples of where things are supposed to go. Runs is just where we put all of the code for making the program actually work. So now we're going to declare a new variable, and we're going to call this user input equals to 0 as an integer. Now we can say random is this random number, and we can print random, but we're not going. So now that we have that, we can kind of section this off as step 1, and now we can move on to step 2. In step 2, we want to get input from the user, which we showed in the beginning and intro videos. So we're just going to put input here from the user, and we're going to put quotation marks for the prompt, and we're going to say guess the number. And remember to always include that space at the end. And we're just going to cut this using Control X and set this as user input. So we type in user input equals to int brackets and put this in. Just paste that in there. That should set this up perfectly. And then we can say print user input just to make sure everything is working all pretty and amazing. So we can say 70, and boom, we now have 70.